If you receive a notice of estimated tax amount due from the Wisconsin Department of Revenue, it's because we didn't receive your tax return for the tax period listed on the notice. You must file your return. Don't just send a payment. You may continue to receive bills until you file your tax return. Once we receive your return, we will change or cancel the amount due. Our website, revenue.wi.gov, has free filing options. File your tax return online. For individuals, use WisTax. For businesses, log into My Tax Account or use Telefile to file your tax returns by phone. If you already paper filed your return for the tax period listed on the notice, send us a complete copy of your return. If you filed electronically, send us your confirmation number. If your return had an amount due, include proof of payment. If you don't need to file a tax return, send us a letter explaining why you don't need to file. Send the requested information to the contact information located at the top of the first page of your notice. If you are a business and had no sales or withholding during the period on the notice, you must still file a return reporting zero. If you closed your business before the tax period listed, notify us through My Tax Account. Go to tap.revenue.wi.gov. Log into My Tax Account and select Close Account. We will close your account and cancel your notice. Remember, if you receive a notice of estimated tax amount due, it's because we didn't receive a tax return for a specific tax period. You must file your return. Visit our website to find out more.